Apple's big awe-dropping event is scheduled for September 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. It promises to deliver a wave of new hardware and software, headlined by the iPhone 17 series. The lineup is expected to consist of 4 models: the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. The iPhone 17 Air is generating serious buzz as Apple's thinnest yet, rumored to be just 5.5 millimeters thick. It may debut a refreshed design language hinted at by an interactive event invite logo that shifts colors, possibly teasing new colorways or enhanced cooling tech. Under the hood, Pro models are expected to pack the powerful A19 Pro Chip, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM, while standard models will feature the A19 chip with 8 gigabytes RAM. All iPhone 17 variants are rumored to include 120 Hz ProMotion OLED displays and vapor chamber cooling systems to manage heat. Camera upgrades are also in the cards. Pro models may sport a triple 48-megapixel rear camera system, wide, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto, along with a 24-megapixel front-facing camera. Ming-Chi Kuo predicts a 6-element lens for improved image clarity and overall 24-megapixel camera setups across the line. The event likely marks Apple's final big push away from physical SIM cards, moving the 17 series beyond the US eSIM standard to a global eSIM-only design. Otherwise, Apple fans can expect updates across the ecosystem. Along with iPhones, Apple Watch Series 11 and Watch Ultra 3 should make their debut with enhanced health tracking features, possibly including blood pressure monitoring and satellite connectivity. AirPods Pro 3 may also launch, rumored to include a slimmer design, heart rate and temperature sensors, and an upgraded H3 chip. Software plays a major role too. iOS 26 will debut with a bold new liquid glass interface, a sleek, translucent UI aesthetic. Apple's broader ecosystem, including watchOS 26, tvOS 26, visionOS, and macOS Tahoe, will likely receive updates to match. Here's the rollout timeline to keep in mind. Event Livestream begins September 9th at 1 p.m. EST, 10 a.m. PT pre-orders open around September 12th, with devices hitting shelves starting September 19th. In short, this event is shaping up to be one of Apple's biggest yet, ranging from ultra-thin design and heavy AI health upgrades to revamped software across devices. If you're watching for fresh iPhone designs or must-have gadget upgrades, September 9th will be the day to mark on your calendar.